Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix lock screen slow load login screen in Windows 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Very simple method to fix this problem. First of all, open your Windows 11 setting. For that, you need to key Windows plus I button. Then click on personalization. In this, you click on lock screen. Here little bit scroll down. You can see here lock screen status. Show the lock screen background picture on this sign in screen. If you are unable this option, you should disable this option. After disabling this option, fix your problem. So in this way, fix lock screen slow load problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.